What is going on again, guys? Back again with another video review today, but it's going to be something a bit different again, and that is the Nike by You in this turquoisey / blue colorway, which I designed in the end. So let's get into the details of this shoe. So Nike have been pumping out a lot of Nike by You recently, and the Dunk has been one of the most prolific ones when it comes to it. They've recently been doing a lot of Panda Dunk restocks. Everyone's been using that one because the quality on that pair is actually a lot better than the standard Dunks they've been releasing. But they released this new one not long ago, which gave you like this Paisley / bandana type of thing you can do with it on the swooshes and on the like sort of side panels. They gave you these different colors that they've been giving everyone else recently. It's just a nice little thing Nike decided to do. And they had this colorway here. I was straight away hooked by it when I saw someone design it on Twitter. I thought, yes, let me get involved with that. Decided to add it to my basket, and I realized the one thing that really like sort of threw me off a little bit was the, that, if that was white, 10 times better, but still, great shoe. Anyway, let's get into the materials. All over the shoe pretty much is a really, really nice leather compared to most Dunks which have been coming out recently. It's a lot softer to the touch. It just feels a lot more premium. You see it, you can just press on the toe box and it's actually creasing really well. I decided to go with the blue on the outside, the white panels on the inside and the toe box. And I decided to go with the cream sole here. And I decided to go with the blue bottom. And I went with the cream laces. And the tongue comes in this all white sort of plush leather. When it comes to the materials for a Dunk, it's actually really, really good. So I have to give Nike hats off when it comes to that. The price was a little bit expensive. I can understand why, because the materials are a lot better than what you get these days for Dunks, but Dunks usually are around 90 to 100 pounds. I feel like they sort of took the piss with us a little bit. 135 pounds these cost. That is really expensive for a pair of Dunks. Yes, they're custom. They're usually about 110 pounds usually when it comes to custom Dunks, but I feel like Nike's just sort of thought, you know what, this is upcharge them a little bit more. People were gonna pay it. The designs were good. The options were there to make whatever you wanted pretty much. So they kind of had us by the balls when it comes to that. So when it comes to the fit, I went with true to size. I'd say these definitely fit true to size, and you shouldn't really be messing around when it comes to Dunk sizing, as they could just be completely off or they could be bang on, especially when it comes to a custom one. So definitely just go true to size, don't try and mess about with it, and it should come out perfectly fine. The only downfall I'd say when it comes to overall this shoe is that it did take a long time to ship out. Usually Nike by You ship out within like 2 weeks or something. This ended up taking a month to get here, so that was the only downside to it. Just keep that in mind when you do order a pair of these. If they do restock again, they usually restock like once or twice a week if anything, so just keep an eye out for like Twitter notifications or something. I've gone over the price, I've gone over the fit, and I've gone over the materials of the shoe. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it on foot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.